What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Next Moon YT channel. In front of you is my new home solar panel system. I've been working on this on the side, and I've been trying to put together a new solar system. It's going to be off-grid, and it's going to have a urban twist to it. Okay, so this is not a full video. This is a quick little poll I want to ask you guys. Do you want to see me explain to you how I built this system and explain to you the parts of a solar system? If that is something that's interesting to you, please make a comment below or give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel so we can keep the channel going. Okay, so again, let me know if you guys are interested in a solar system and all its components and how I'm gonna put this together in an urban environment. So vote below. Thanks. See you guys soon.